What we have here today is changing the mower blades on a John Deere D105 lawn tractor. First thing you want to do is have your deck in the highest position, and then we're going to go and take and remove the drive belt. We're going to simply just unhook it from both sides and let it drop down. Next, what we're going to want to do is lower the deck to the lowest position. And then go and remove this front little pin here. Remove the washer and the front deck support. Next, what we'll do is go ahead and remove this pin. There is a small washer on there. Let that drop down. Lastly, on this side, we will go ahead and pull the last pin here. Move the washer and the deck leveling adjustment. We'll do the same on the other side. Now that the deck is fully down on the ground, we'll go ahead and remove this pin and disconnect the cable for the blade engagement. And then the spring can be unhooked on the front here. Probably best do it on the other side. Now with the cable completely detached, we'll go ahead and tie your mower deck out. Next, what we'll do is take and place a block of wood here. We'll use a 15/16 socket, and we'll go ahead and put that on a breaker bar and break this loose. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and install a mulching blade. This happens to be an Oregon brand. The part number is 92615, and simply just slips back on there. Put your washer on and your nut. We'll go ahead and put that on there, our block of wood, to tighten that up. Okay, we'll position the piece of wood on there where it binds the blade. And then we'll go ahead and torque this to 65 foot-pounds or 88 Newton meters. Okay, you know you have the correct blades when you put them together. There should be a gap there, about 3/16 of an inch. Now what we'll do is go ahead and put the deck back on the ground, slide it back under, reconnect the cable in the Z fitting, and then reattach the deck, and we're all set. This cable goes underneath this little Z fitting here. If you have enough slack in there, you can slip it in like that, and then this connector goes in this slot here.